Eyesight suffering? Discover 9 nature's remedies for sharp vision. Are you tired of squinting at screens or struggling to see clearly? Imagine harnessing the power of nature to protect and repair your precious eyesight. That's right. Nature has bestowed us with a treasure trove of herbs that not only shield our eyes from harm but promote vision restoration. Let's dive into the vibrant world of herbal remedies and unveil 9 miraculous herbs that are your eye's best friends. Coleus. Let's talk about Coleus, an herb that's been making waves in the world of eye health. Native to India, this little gem might not be as well known as some of its herbal counterparts, but it packs quite a punch when it comes to supporting your peepers. Now, imagine strolling through a lush Indian garden, surrounded by vibrant green foliage, and stumbling upon a patch of Coleus plants. These colorful leaves contain a compound called forskolin, which has caught the attention of researchers for its potential benefits for eye health. So, what exactly does forskolin do? Well, it's believed to help regulate intraocular pressure, which is the pressure inside your eyes. For individuals with conditions like glaucoma, where high intraocular pressure can damage the optic nerve and lead to vision loss, Coleus could be a game changer. Think of Coleus as a friendly guardian, gently working behind the scenes to keep your eyesight in check. Whether you're enjoying a cup of Coleus tea or incorporating it into your daily supplement routine, this herb could be a valuable ally in your quest for clearer vision. Of course, it's essential to consult with your eye care professional before diving into any new herbal regimen, especially if you have existing eye conditions. But with Coleus on your side, you might just see the world in a whole new light. Bilberry. Let's dive into the enchanting world of bilberries, those little blue wonders that have captivated hearts and eyes for centuries. Picture this. British Royal Air Force pilots during World War II turned to bilberry jam to sharpen their night vision, igniting a fascination with this tiny fruit's incredible powers. Bursting with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, bilberries are like tiny superheroes for your eyes. They swoop in, supporting healthy blood circulation to your peepers, easing strain, and enhancing clarity. But wait, there's more. These magical berries also boost retinal sensitivity to light, giving you a sharper view, especially in low-light conditions. Whether you snack on them fresh, pop them in a smoothie, or opt for bilberry supplements, these little blue dynamos are your eye's best friends. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider giving your eyes a treat with some bilberries and watch your vision sparkle with vitality. Ginkgo biloba. Alright, let's talk about the ancient superstar of vision health, Ginkgo biloba. Picture this. It's like the wise old tree in your backyard, but in herb form, working wonders for your eyesight. This stuff has been around forever, and for good reason. Derived from the resilient ginkgo tree, it's like a secret potion for your peepers. So, what's the big deal? Well, it's all about that blood flow, baby. Ginkgo biloba ramps up circulation to your eyes and brain, delivering a 1-2 punch of oxygen and nutrients. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off the bad stuff causing eye trouble. Think of it as your eye's personal bodyguard, shielding them from age-related issues like macular degeneration. Whether you're sipping it in tea or popping it in supplement form, Ginkgo biloba is like your eye's BFF, keeping them sharp, focused, and ready for whatever life throws your way. Eyebright. Alright, let's shine some light on this little gem of the herbal world, eyebright. Imagine a tiny herb with a big reputation for soothing tired, irritated eyes. It's like your eye's best friend, always there when you need a little pick-me-up. Legend has it that eyebright has been used for centuries to tackle everything from redness to conjunctivitis. With its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial powers, it's like sending in the cavalry to calm the storm in your eyes. Whether you're dealing with screen strain or just feeling a bit bleary-eyed, eyebright steps up to the plate, offering relief and comfort. And hey, it's not just about fixing problems. This herb also helps keep your eyes in tip-top shape, preventing issues before they even start. So next time your eyes are feeling less than bright, reach for some eyebright and let nature work its magic. Turmeric. Ah, the golden wonder spice that's been jazzed up dishes for centuries. But did you know it's also a superhero for your eyes? Enter turmeric, the spice that's about to become your eye's new best friend. Picture this. It's like a tiny army of antioxidants marching into battle against eye inflammation and oxidative stress. Thanks to its star player, curcumin, turmeric packs a punch against all the bad stuff that can wreak havoc on your vision. Whether you sprinkle it on your morning eggs or whip up a tasty turmeric latte, this spice is like a beacon of hope for your eyesight. Plus, it's not just about preventing problems. Turmeric also lends a helping hand in repairing any damage that's already been done. So, spice up your life and give your eyes the love they deserve with a sprinkle of turmeric every day. Ginseng. Let's talk about the og of adaptogens, ginseng. This stuff has been around forever, and it's like the ultimate cheerleader for your body, including your eyes. Picture this. It's like a little energy boost for your peepers, helping them fight off all the daily stressors that can take a toll on your vision. Whether you're battling work deadlines or just dealing with the hustle and bustle of life, ginseng steps in to lend a helping hand. But that's not all. This herbal hero also ramps up blood flow to your eyes, delivering a fresh dose of oxygen and nutrients right where you need it most. So, whether you're sipping it in tea or popping it in supplement form, ginseng is like your eyes' personal trainer, keeping them strong, resilient, and ready to take on whatever the day throws your way. Calendula. Alright, let's dive into the sunny world of calendula, the vibrant herb that's like a ray of sunshine for your eyes. Picture this. It's like a gentle hug for your peepers, soothing them with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Legend has it that calendula has been used for centuries to calm irritated skin, but its benefits don't stop there. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerhouse antioxidants, calendula helps shield your eyes from harmful blue light, like a natural pair of sunglasses. Whether you're spending hours in front of a screen or soaking up the sun's rays, calendula steps up to the plate, offering protection and support. And hey, it's not just about defending your eyes. This herb also nourishes them from the inside out, promoting overall eye health and clarity of vision. So, next time you need a little TLC for your eyes, reach for some calendula and let its golden glow work its magic. Let's dive deeper into the wonders of saffron, shall we? Picture this. A vibrant orange-red spice, rich in both color and flavor. But did you know that saffron also holds incredible benefits for your eyes? Yes, indeed. Saffron isn't just a culinary delight. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants like crocin and quercetin, which are known to work wonders for your vision. These antioxidants are like superheroes swooping in to save the day, protecting your eyes from the harmful effects of oxidative stress and potentially warding off age-related eye issues. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of saffron-infused tea, not only indulging your taste buds but also nurturing your eyes from within. Studies suggest that saffron may help improve vision, particularly in individuals with age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a condition that can lead to vision loss over time. So, whether you're sprinkling a pinch of saffron into your favorite dishes or steeping it into a soothing tea, you're not just adding flavor, you're giving your eyes a boost of natural goodness. Next time you reach for the spice rack, remember the golden threads of saffron and their potential to brighten not just your dishes but also your outlook on eye health. Green tea. Ah, the soothing sip of green tea, but did you know it's not just a tasty beverage? It's like a spa day for your eyes. Picture this. It's like a refreshing splash of hydration for those tired peepers, packed with all the antioxidants your eyes crave. From catechins to flavonoids, green tea is like a little army of defenders, fighting off the bad stuff that can mess with your vision. Studies suggest that sipping on green tea could lower your risk of sneaky eye conditions like glaucoma, making it the ultimate eye-friendly drink. Whether you're savoring a warm cup in the morning or chilling with an iced version in the afternoon, green tea is like your eye's best friend, keeping them clear, bright, and ready to take on the day. So, next time you need a pick-me-up, reach for some green tea and give your eyes the love they deserve. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.